So friends, to solve this given equation, we follow the BODMAS rule and use the shortcuts for the square roots. So first we calculate the square root using a short trick. Square root is 4624. Now first we have to group the digits. Split the number into the two parts in 46 and 24. Now second step, look at the last digit. Last digit is 4. So the square root must end in either 2 or 8. Why? 2 square is equal to 4 and 8 square is equal to 64. Last digit is 4. Now the third step. Look at the first part. The number is 46. So the largest perfect square less than 46 is 36. It means 6 square. So the first digit 6. Now determine the final digit. The number is either 62 or 68. For this, the first step, multiply the first digit by its successor. It means 6 into 7, that is 42. Now the second step, since 46 is greater than 42, so we pick the larger number, which is 68. So the result is root 4624 is 68. Step second says simplify the equation. Substitute the value back into the equation and letting the unknown value be x. So 68 plus root x plus 12 minus 43 equals to 137. Now combine the constants using the addition and subtraction. So 68 plus 12 and then minus 43 plus root x equals to 137. Now combine the results. Addition first, bracket solve. 80 minus 43 plus root x equals to 137. Now we can easily subtract these values. So it will become 37 plus root x equals to 137. Now isolate and solve for x. Subtract 37 from both the sides. X equals to 137 minus 37. Root x equals to 100. To find x, square both the sides. So x equals to 100 square. So 100 square, it will become 10,000. So the correct option is 10,000 with the correct answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.